areas inhabited by the tribal constitute a significant part of the underdeveloped areas of the country. The tribal people have rich traditions, cultures, and heritage with unique lifestyle and customs. India's population includes nearly 100 million tribal people. The Khadiyas are an Austroasiatic tribal ethnic group from central India. They originally speak the Khadiya language, which belong to Austroasiatic languages. They are subdivided into three groups, known as the Hill Khadiya, Delki Khadiya, and Doodh Khadiya. Amongst them, the Doodh Khadiya is the most advanced and educated ethnic communities in India. The Munda people are an Austroasiatic speaking ethnic group of India. They predominantly speak the Mundari language as their native language, which belongs to the Munda subgroup of Austroasiatic languages. The Mundas are found in the northern areas of East India, concentrated in the states of Jharkhand, Odisha, and West Bengal. They are one of the largest scheduled tribes in India. The Kurukh or Uraons are an ethnic group inhabiting in Indian states of Jharkhand, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. They predominantly speak Kurukh as their native language, which belongs to the Dravidian language family. Traditionally, Uraons depended on the forest and farms for their ritual and economic livelihood. But in recent times, a few of them have become mainly settled in agriculture. Many Uraons migrated to tea gardens of Assam, West Bengal and Bangladesh during British rule. The Santals are an ethnic group native to India and Bangladesh in South Asia. Santals are the largest tribe in the Jharkhand state of India in terms of population and are also found in the states of Assam, Tripura, Bihar, Odisha and West Bengal. The Ho people are an Austroasiatic speaking ethnic group of India. Ho is derived from the Ho language word Ho, meaning human. They are mostly concentrated in the state of Jharkhand. The Ho were the fourth most numerous scheduled tribe in Jharkhand after the Santals, Kuruks and Mundas.